Mabuhay! Kabayan! It's a snow day! Yay! Yay! Saya! Pero grabe naman yung pa-blizzard day ni Mother Nature. Nilubog tayo sa snow. Alam mo, maybe she saw the last vlog. Yung sabi natin last na to. And then sabi niya, last na yan ha? O eto ka, blizzard. Wow! As a decision maker ni Mother Nature. Nakausap mo? But anyway, let's go play in the snow. Let's go play in the snow. To everyone asking what does snow taste like, this is the day of confirmation. Okay naman. In fairness, pwede nga siya sa halo-halo. Pero let's not waste time. Let's go! But to be honest, look, sa taas ng snow na to, struggle talaga mag-move around. Imagine you're walking around, let's say sa beach. The higher the water, ano sunod? The higher the water, the higher, basta! Kaya alam mo, I have thought of the best solution. Watch this. Yay! Let's go swim in the snow. Grabe yung level of fun. Abot Jupiter! At this point, I am very tired. Pero, sayang naman if we're not gonna do this! Grabe. Yun lang. See you sa part